everyone, how are you doing? We are Tracy
and Miranda,
and we are My Jessie Kitchen.
This time, I would like to introduce dishes related to the Girls' Festival. Do you do anything special on the day of the Girls' Festival?
I display henna dolls and make Oshizushi.
You have a daughter, don't you? Do you know why dolls are displayed at the Girls' Festival?
Actually, I don't know much about it. Please tell me.
Now, let me ask you a question. When is the Girls' Festival?
I know that. It's March 3rd. It's also called the Dolls Festival.
That's right. That day is a day to celebrate girls' growth, hoping for happiness.
Why do you display the henna dolls?
It is said that dolls replace children and protect them from diseases and accidents.
Is that right? I didn't know that, but why is that?
In the past, dolls were made of paper and thrown into the river to have them take away bad things such as diseases.
I can't let a nice modern doll fall into the river.
That's right. Dolls are luxurious now, so it's common to display them.
Is there a fixed pair for displaying the henna dolls?
There are no rules, but they are displayed from spring to the day of the Girls' Festival.
It's better to get rid of the henna dolls early. But what about?
It's not a rule, but I don't think it's good to display dolls that have been used as scapegoats for a long time, so I'll get rid of them.
I've heard that if you don't get rid of it early, your marriage will be delayed.
It reminds me of getting married early by thinking of dolls as symbols of marriage.
I see.
Henna dolls are being displayed steadily decoration. There are kings and princesses at the top. This represents the emperor and empress.
Was it the next free lady in waiters to be displayed?
That's right. They are smart maids. She is like a secretary or a butler.
The one underneath is a five-person musical accompaniment, isn't it?
That's right. They are like a band.
These days, there aren't many things that are gradual, only kings and princesses.
Many of them are compact due to housing conditions.
Instead, more and more templates and event venues are decorating.
Let's go see it again.
Of course.
Now, let me introduce the foods for the Girls' Festival. What else do you eat besides chirashizushi?
I eat clam soup and hina arare. Hina arare is sweet crackers for Girls' Festival.
Do you know that those foods contain meaning?
The clam represents a couple because only the pairs shall fit perfectly, right?
That's right. I hope we can get along well forever.
Does hina arare have any meaning?
It has 4 colors and represents 4 seasons. Green represents spring, pink is summer, yellow is autumn, and white is winter.
What does chirashizushi mean? Chirashizushi is sushi rice topped with sashimi and other ingredients.
I wish you good health and prosperity by using lucky ingredients in chirashizushi.
It has various meanings and is interesting.
Anyway, this time I will introduce you to Oshizushi, which is eaten as much as chirashizushi. Oshizushi literally means pressed sushi.
Let's cook!
Let's cook Oshizushi for the girls' festival.
This time it's not the typical Japanese sushi, but the ingredients that are easy for children to eat.
That's right. Let me introduce the ingredients. They are tuna can, shiitake mushrooms, dried tofu, mangotu, eggs, and sushi rice.
Let's prepare the ingredients.
Let's prepare sushi rice first.
Combine the cooked rice 330 grams with 20 grams of vinegar, 12 grams of sugar, and 2 grams of salt.
For more information, watch the video of ehomaki.
Please refer the link in the summary column.
Next, soak shiitake mushroom and dried tofu in water.
Add seasoning to the soup of shiitake mushrooms and boil it right.
That's right. Put 200 grams of the soup of shiitake mushrooms, 20 grams of mirin, 10 grams of sugar, and 20 grams of soy sauce in a pot and boil it.
Please put shiitake mushrooms and dried tofu in it and boil them.
Turn off the heat when the soup is low.
And when it cools, I'll cut it into small pieces.
I'm season tuna can next time.
Please fry 3 cans of tuna, 210 grams in a frying pan.
That's right. After stir frying a little, add 10 grams of sugar, 50 grams of mirin, and 10 grams of soy sauce and stir fry more.
When the taste gets used to it, turn off the heat and let it cool.
Next, let's cook kinshi tamago. Kinshi tamago is thin sliced egg.
Try to make it like a thin thread with an egg.
Put the 3 eggs in the mixing bowl.
How do you season this?
Add 2 grams of salt and 10 grams of mirin and mix.
Put a little oil in a frying pan and heat it up.
When the frying pan is hot, add egg juice and bake it as thin as clay.
When it's cooked, take it out on a plate.
Repeat the work several times.
Cut it thinly when it cools down. Now the ingredients are ready.
Let's cook Oshizushi right away.
This is a tool exclusively for Oshizushi. And this is a Ziploc container.
That's right. This time, I'll cut the milk carton and use it. Put the plastic wrap on the cut mold.
Put the ingredients and rice here.
That's right. I'll put sushi rice in the beginning.
Next is seasoned tuna can.
Put sushi rice on top of it.
It's an image of pushing and handling rice.
Yes. I'll put shiitake mushroom and dried tofu on top next time.
And finally, kimchi egg.
Yes, I'll make it with an image that looks like a starter.
Pack all the ingredients.
Then cover it with plastic wrap and press it.
What if it can be pressed well?
Take it off the mold and put it on the plate.
The top warnishes a layer of kimchi egg and it's beautiful.
Decorate the mangood with colors.
Is it okay to make it the same way for pushing mold and containers?
Yes, it can be made the same way.
I have cooked Oshizushi.
Let's play the girls' festival party.
We are girls!